Hello, this is my honest review for the Cuccio Pro LED UV Brush On Builder with Calcium. It comes in this presentation like a regular gel polish. It's a clear consistency. It has a clear consistency. It's thick, and this will strengthen your nails. It has calcium that is also good for your nails, and it will help your nail with the shape and with getting a little bit stronger after the regular gel polish. Here is the instructions. It will help you fill in your nails. It has calcium. It will help you strengthen the weak and brittle nails during wear, and then you can use it as a base coat or regular base coat, and on top of it you can put the builder, but it's always going to be below the color of the gel polish you choose.